Let's face it, in the fast-paced world of field service, keeping your customer list squeaky clean is crucial. Maybe a customer moved out of state, or perhaps your business no longer provides services in their area. Whatever the reason, you might be wondering, can you just delete a customer entirely from ServiceTitan? Well, hold on to your screwdrivers, because deleting a customer in ServiceTitan isn't quite an option. But fear not, there's a better way to handle those inactive accounts. In this video, we'll dive into the world of deactivating customers in ServiceTitan, explore the benefits, and, of course, show you exactly how to do it. So why not delete? There are a couple of key reasons. First, ServiceTitan is designed to be a comprehensive record of your customer interactions. Deleting a customer entirely would erase that history, making it difficult to track past service calls, warranties, or even identify repeat customers who might have moved but kept the same phone number. Second, deleting a customer can create confusion down the line. Imagine a technician showing up for a scheduled appointment, only to discover the customer no longer lives there, or worse, that the account has been accidentally deleted. Deactivating a customer, on the other hand, keeps their information readily available while removing them from your active customer list. Now that we've established why deactivating is the way to go, let's get down to business. There are actually two ways to deactivate a customer in ServiceTitan, and we'll explore both methods. Method number 1. Deactivating from the customer list. Head over to the Customers tab in your ServiceTitan dashboard. This will display a list of all your active customers. Find the customer you want to deactivate. You can use the search bar or scroll through the list manually. Click on the customer's name to open their profile. Once in the customer profile, scroll down to the bottom. Here, you'll see a button labeled Deactivate. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your decision. ServiceTitan helpfully reminds you that deactivating will not delete the customer's information. Click Deactivate if you're sure you want to proceed. Method number 2. Deactivating while editing a location. This method is handy if you're dealing with a situation where the customer has moved locations or the service location is no longer relevant. Navigate to the Customers tab and find the customer you want to deactivate. Click on the customer's name to open their profile. Locate the Locations section within the profile. This will display a list of all service locations associated with that customer. Click the pencil icon next to the location you want to deactivate. This will open the Location Edit window. Scroll down to the bottom of the Edit window. Just like with the customer profile itself, you'll see a Deactivate button. Confirm your choice by clicking Deactivate in the pop-up window. Now, both methods achieve the same outcome. The customer is deactivated and no longer shows up in your active customer list. However, there are a few additional things to keep in mind. Deactivated customers can still be searched for within ServiceTitan. Just type their name in the search bar, and their profile will pop right up, complete with all their past service history. You can reactivate a deactivated customer at any time. Simply follow the same steps we outlined above, but instead of clicking Deactivate, click Activate on the confirmation pop-up. The power of deactivation. By deactivating customers instead of deleting them, you maintain a clean and organized active customer list while preserving valuable historical data. This allows you to easily track past interactions, identify repeat customers, and ensure a smooth workflow for your technicians. Deactivation. A simple but powerful tool. So there you have it. Deactivating customers in ServiceTitan is a simple yet powerful tool that helps you keep your data organized and accessible. Remember, deactivation is your friend. It keeps your active list streamlined while preserving valuable customer history. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your wrenches handy and your ServiceTitan organized.